Strengthening to eliminate cellulite. This condition has a multifactorial origin without worrying consequences for health, but with notable repercussions on self-esteem. Besides regularly listening to this strengthening, you should seriously consider a healthy lifestyle in terms of diet and exercise. It's also crucial to realize that fixing cellulite does not fix the self-esteem issue. Let's bolster your midline. We enhance the central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail, strong in order to accept and execute changes. We strengthen the accumulation of localized fat deposits under the skin's surface, strong in order for them to decrease in size and constantly dissolve at 100% with infinite potential all the time with infinite time. We remove the pressure on the skin when fat cells increase in size, strong to shrink in size as well as to remove them through the lymphatic system. We fortify channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. At 100% with infinite possibilities, 100% of the time with infinite time, we separate and fortify the layers of connective tissue. We strengthen the skin residing in these layers, strong to divide fat into compartments. At 100% with infinite possibilities, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate the weakness in the fibers of connective tissue. We get rid of stretching and the pressure that forms cellulite look. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's distinguish hormonal, genetic, lifestyle, fluid retention, and aging factors. We remove the weaknesses of each of them and make each combination to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them so they are centered, balanced, and steady. We're going to separate estrogen, progesterone, insulin, adrenaline, noradrenaline, T3, and T4. We're erasing the weaknesses of each of these hormones and combining them at 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them so they are centered, balanced, and stable, and strengthen them to regulate themselves at optimal levels. We strengthen estrogen to distribute body fat. We remove the cumulative effect of significant estrogen fluctuations. We reinforce progesterone to be produced at optimal levels, at 100% infinite copotential 100% of the time with infinite time. We balance insulin levels and strengthen the hormone to be centered, balanced, and stable. We enhance the buildup of fat and subcutaneous adipose tissue to disperse and drain through the lymphatic system. At 100% infinite copotential 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen adrenaline and noradrenaline to release their excesses through the lymphatic system. We erase the cumulative effect of high levels of these hormones and strengthen them to be produced at optimal levels under favorable circumstances. At 100% infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen T3 and T4 for regulating the metabolism. We erases the influence of these hormones on excessive fat accumulation and fluid retention at 0 to infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong for choosing a nutrient-rich diet that supports the optimal functionality of your systems. Strong to eliminate viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, parasite waste, toxins, food additives, medicines, heavy metals, and other toxins that adhere to fat, forming cellulite. to prevent these toxins from damaging your organs. We channel all this to the lymphatic system at full capacity with unlimited potential and time. We strengthen the blood circulation, heart, veins, arteries, capillaries, blood, lungs, liver, kidneys, blood vessels, autonomous nervous system. We erase the weaknesses of each of them and their combination and empower them to function independently and jointly. Strengthened and balanced sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system to regulate heart rate and blood pressure while maintaining balance in blood circulation. At full capacity with unlimited potential and time. We eliminate all genetic predisposition when developing cellulite. We erase unresolved, undigested, and ignored emotional conflicts that come from ancestors and family. At absolute zero, 100% of the time with unlimited time. We erase memories of traumas, physical limitations, stress, pain, fears, phobias, and illnesses that cause significant suffering, devaluation, and insurmountable losses. To zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase memories of humiliating experiences due to physical appearance. We eliminate all accumulated effects and erase the weakness caused by a dysfunctional self-concept, low self-esteem, and lack of self-love. We erase experiences where a favorable physical appearance brought negative experiences. We erase all the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that having an attractive physical appearance can be something dangerous. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that what gives value to a person is their physical appearance. We remove what comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, collective, family, and ourselves. We erase unresolved emotions, sensations, and reactions coming from ancestors who contributed to cellulite development. We erase hurt feelings, resentments, guilt, and shame. We erase the cumulative effect of self-neglect, negligence, and carelessness due to ignorance and apathy towards your health. At negative infinity, all the time for infinite time. We erase the cumulative effect of a sedentary lifestyle. We erase physical, mental, emotional resistance to exercise. We eliminate misinformation, perception, and interpretation that you can't control health and can't avoid, correct, or regenerate its manifestations. At negative infinity, all the time for infinite time, we're going to make you strong to be same, different, not different, perception, not perception, change, not change. We're going to empower you for all things positive, not positive, negative, not negative, strong and neutral, so that you have cellulite, so that you don't have it, so that they go away, so that they don't come out, so that they come out more or not at all. Strong against all options at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to strengthen the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all the geometries we work with at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks that you improve and that you perceive your improvements. We erase to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. Strong for rebooting, recalibrating, reprogramming, readjusting, and rejuvenating your body, mind, and spirit. I advise you to do this strengthening repeatedly and take a picture of yourself before starting for the first time so that you can make the comparison of the changes. Thank you.